Hey there, welcome to my channel. You need to turn Grammarly back in Google Doc? Here's how. Before that, make sure Grammarly Add to Chrome extension is installed. Open your Google Doc, then click the Grammarly extension icon in the upper right corner of your browser, or sometimes it can appear in the lower right side of your browser. Once the Grammarly menu pops up, go to Setting and flip off the Check for Writing Suggestions on Google Doc Toddler switch to On. Now that's it. Grammarly is now ready to help you with your writings in Google Docs. If this tip helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.